Hey everyone, today we're taking a trip through our solar system from the blazing heart of the sun all the way to the icy edge of space. You might think you know our cosmic neighborhood, but trust me, there's a lot more going on out there than meets the eye. So buckle up, grab your space helmet, and let's dive into 10 mind-blowing facts about our solar system that'll make you look at the night sky a little differently. First up, did you know the sun contains 99.8% of the solar system's total mass? That's right, almost everything you see orbiting it, from the giant planets to the tiniest asteroids, adds up to just a tiny fraction of the whole system. Imagine lining up every planet, moon, asteroid, and comet the sun still outweighs them all by an enormous margin. It's literally the gravitational anchor that holds everything together. Without it, there is no solar system. Next up, Earth, our beautiful blue planet. It's the only known planet with stable liquid water on its surface. While Mars and a few moons like Europa and Enceladus may have ice or underground oceans, Earth is unique in having oceans, rivers, and rain, all thanks to our perfect distance from the sun and protective atmosphere. Without water, there's no life, at least not the kind we know. Fact number 3. Mercury, the smallest planet, has insane temperature swings. During the day, the surface can reach up to 430 degrees Celsius, that's 800 Fahrenheit. But at night, it plunges to negative 180 degrees Celsius, or minus 290 Fahrenheit. That's a difference of over 600 degrees. Because Mercury has almost no atmosphere, it can't trap heat, so it goes from blistering to freezing in a single rotation. Speaking of heat, let's talk Venus, the true furnace of the solar system. Even though it's farther from the sun than Mercury, Venus is hotter, with surface temperatures around 465 degrees Celsius, or 869 Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Why? Because its thick CO2 atmosphere creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat like an oven. It's a real-life example of what happens when a planet's climate spirals out of control. Now, if we move out to Mars, the red planet has record-breaking features. It's home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the entire solar system, nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. And right next to it, there's Valles Marineris, a canyon system so deep and wide it would stretch across the entire United States. If you ever stood on Mars, the view would be both terrifying and beautiful. Coming in at number 6, Jupiter, the giant among giants. You could fit all the other planets inside Jupiter and still have room to spare. It's over 1,300 times larger than Earth by volume, and its great red spot is a storm that's been raging for centuries. Jupiter's sheer gravity also protects us. It acts like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, pulling in comets and asteroids that might otherwise hit Earth. Next up, the crowd favorite Saturn. Believe it or not, Saturn's density is so low it could float in water if you somehow found a bathtub big enough to hold it. It's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements, and its famous rings are mostly ice particles with a dash of dust. It's stunning, but fragile. If Saturn's rings were compressed into a solid, they'd barely cover a city block. Number 8, Uranus, the oddball of the solar system. It literally rolls around the sun on its side, tilted by about 98 degrees. Scientists think it was knocked over long ago by a massive impact. Because of that tilt, Uranus experiences 42 years of sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness at its poles. Imagine half a lifetime of night or day. Now let's travel even farther out to Neptune, the windiest planet in the solar system. Winds there can reach 2,000 kilometers per hour. That's 1,200 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound. These storms are so powerful they could shred anything that entered its atmosphere. And yet, despite being so far from the sun, Neptune's bright blue color and dynamic storms make it one of the most visually stunning worlds we've discovered. Finally, we reach the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud, the icy outskirts of our solar system. This region is filled with billions of frozen objects, comets, dwarf planets, and icy debris left over from the solar system's formation. And yes, Pluto lives here too. Once the 9th planet, Pluto is now recognized as one of the largest members of this icy neighborhood. Beyond it lies the Oort cloud, a mysterious bubble of icy bodies extending trillions of kilometers from the sun, the edge of our solar influence. And there you have it, 10 incredible facts about our solar system. From scorching heat to icy darkness, giant storms to tilted worlds, our little corner of the galaxy is full of wonders. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, every tiny point of light has its own story, just like ours. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next fact adventure. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep looking up.